Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hardcover for books. First, gather your essential materials: book board, cover material, and a strong adhesive. Measure and cut your book board pieces for the front, back, and spine. These dimensions should be precise, typically about 1/8 inch smaller than your book block on 3 sides. Ensure your chosen cover material is durable and suitable for long-term use, providing a professional finish. Next, lay your chosen cover material face down and carefully mark the precise placement for your book boards. It is crucial to leave a consistent gap of about 1/4 inch between the spine board and the 2 cover boards. This gap allows the book to open and close smoothly. Finally, trim the excess cover material, leaving a 1/2 to 3/4 inch overhang on all sides for wrapping. Now, it is time to attach your book block to the prepared hardcover case. Apply a strong, flexible adhesive evenly to the outer side of your book blocks and papers. Carefully align the book block with the spine of the hardcover case, ensuring it is centered. Press firmly and evenly across the entire surface to ensure a secure and lasting bond. This step is vital for the book's integrity. For the final touches, use a bone folder to smooth out any air bubbles and ensure crisp, professional edges on your cover. This creates a clean, finished appearance. Allow the newly bound book to dry completely under light, even pressure for at least 24 hours. This prevents warping and ensures the adhesive sets properly. Consider adding decorative elements like headbands or a custom dust jacket for a truly polished look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.